Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystem.com. I'm making this a small video about gold. So let's get started. We're gonna track gold. Let me see, where do I go? Not here, not here. Okay. Let's see. This is a gold chart, H4 chart, 4-hour chart, right? I made this on the 28th June. Right? I've been tracking gold for all my life, actually, so don't need to go back all the way. But this was my ideal wave count here. And on wave four, that this is wave three, ABC wave four, and then wave five is underway. We are going for wave five, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this fashion, right? So wave one and two, in my count, it was like wave two was finished, supposed to finish here, and then we're supposed to bounce, right? So what happened this chart after a little while, and then this is what happened. So it bounced from here to here, then it came back down here again. This is also like a small wave one and two out of wave three, right? So that would be wave one, wave two, and wave three will go up, but it will have 5 subwaves. Out of that, we have wave one and two, and it's supposed to go to the upside. So now at the same time, what I did is that my other chart, Renko charts, right? Setups that gives me more clarity, very very clear everything, right? So I use that. So I made my gold Renko chart for my analysis is this on the 7th, the same day that it was here, that this move and this move. You see this and this is this and this. So this wave one, and I said, well, wave two might be 50% or 61% is going to bounce, right, to the upside. So this is on the 7th July. And then you see that this is what happened is that this is right from there, the 50% is started go to the upside and then stop here, right, on the 7th. So I said, okay, maybe it's not going to go in a straight line and it may drop. There was some other reason, right? The fundies and all of that. So I made another chart. I made this chart just saying that, like, see this is the reversal candle and red candle. I said, oh, it's making a turn to the downside now. So this could be like wave two. Maybe this is not it. And this could be like A, B, C correction. And then you can see this is a nice harmonic pattern calculation as X, A, B, C, D. I, employ different things. Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, this, that, blah, blah, blah. So to me, it was like supposed to come down here for wave two or a harmonic pattern completion at D, right there, 78%, right? So I said, okay, let's see what happens. So every time this moves it makes the turn like a reversal candle. Right after that, I look for my entry, and then I open the trade from my 150 or 200 boxes chart, right? The entry charts, what I call. These are the, directional chart. So obviously every step of the way I'm taking trades, and all of those trades are on my website. You can go take a look. But there's no, right now, I don't want to make the video long, so I'm not showing those. But the trades are on my website. So this thing started to come down, and this ended up like this, right? So then I said, well, somewhere here, again, this is the reversal zone, by the way, right? So 61 to 78, anywhere it can make the turn. So I said, okay, this is the game over here to the downside. Now I will be looking for long to the upside. So I made another chart, which is like this, exactly from here. I said, well, from maybe this low, it may drop to 78 or may not, and we're going to go to the upside. So this chart turned like this, and I had pretty decent amount of long trades in going to the upside. So once we are here, then what happened is that there was some, like I said, there's several reasons that I said, well, maybe this is another like wave one, and then two, and then three, four, five, right? So this is a pretty big move, and it might be retracing for wave two. So I made another chart to the downside, which was this. Right. So after this, I said, well, this is now another, it's like wave, subwave one, and then it should be coming down for wave two here at 33.20. So it came down from here to here. And let me see if I have it. But coming down, I took this trade, and this is this week. So I'm showing you the trades that I took this week from Monday, Tuesday. Today's Tuesday, right? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So this one was Sunday, the 13th, when the market opened up. It was coming down. And this one, the first trade, 90 pip. And this is the second what 90 was here, and then this is 110 pip, another one on Monday. And the chart turned like this. So it came down here and kind of stopped it here, right? So I said, okay, so now what, there's another option in Elliott wave that wave two usually comes in like three waves, A, B, C. So I said, what the heck this thing is doing here? And it's supposed to be going to the upside, but it needs to come down here all the way. It's not. So this thing started to go to the upside. So I said, okay, let's see what it will do. And I didn't open the trade or anything. I was just watching. And it went up like this. And it went up and then kind of like pulling back a little bit. So I said, well, this looks like this. So I made another chart saying that this is A, this is probably B, and then if it is B, it's not going to go up, then it will come down here for C. And that will finish this wave too, right? So this thing start to drop here today. This is 15. I made this chart earlier. And this chart turned into this, straight down, right? And I had a couple of entries. The one chart is, I don't know where the heck is that, but it doesn't matter. It's like a sub chart. But the other chart, that the big trade that I got from this drop is this. Right there is the entry by Sam Oil and Gold EA Expert Advisor Robot. It took the entry here and came down all the 300 points. And this is where we stand right now. Let me show you the live chart now. Same chart, same like this one. So I made the chart that is going to come down here, bounce from 61, then go up. So right now we touch this line here, 33.20, and we are trying to bounce. Let's see. Let me show you the live chart. It's right there. See that? This is where we are now. This is live chart, right? So this is now the current trade setup. I will change it to before, and then the idea is, again, what it is that if I get a reversal candle here, right? Reversal candle means from here it's red, 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 and then there's a candle with a very small body in the middle, wick to the top, wick to the bottom, and then after that, blue candle starts. So right after the reversal candle end up, I have alarm that beeps, right? And I'm notified that, yeah, okay, reversal candle is in place, right? With this indicator all the way high or low, that is a powerful turn. It's about to come. And after that, I look for my entry. So I will be looking for long entry here, somewhere here, and then I will be traveling with this to the upside, to the moon. Now, tonight and tomorrow, and then maybe rest of the week, we will be going to the upside. This correction to me is finished. So this is wave 1, 2, big one, and then wave 3. It's like wave 1, 2, right? See that? This is wave 1. This is A, B, C, wave 2. And then wave 3 is underway. And then out of that, wave 3 will also have subwaves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So out of that, we have wave 1 and wave 2 finished, completed. And then we will have wave 3 to the upside, and that would be, I'll call it 3 of 3, which is a very powerful wave and momentous. So let's see what happened. Now, today we had earlier CPI, which came out better than expected, and then US dollar started to get strong. And when US dollar gets strong, gold drops, right? So that is the conflict of information that I have now, I'm facing right now. So let's see what happened, right? It doesn't matter. You need to be aware of all the things, all the facts. So technicals is one thing, but then, fundies are also. But that is not always the case. Sometimes gold is getting strong, and then, USD getting strong, and then gold still go to the upside, right? So let's see what happened, right? But I will stick to my chart and my setup chart, that if I see the setup, then I'll take it. No problem with that, right? So this is what the gold is. This is where we stand. So you saw all charts since July. What was the first chart? I think was, let me see. Let me go back there. So June 28th, I guess, right? The 4-hour chart. And since then, I'm catching almost every single turn, and I'm trading every single turn. You see that? Every single turn. And it started from here, June 20th, when it came down here. And actually, I predicted this whole move also, right? So it came down at the TL, and then I said that we're going to probably bounce from the TL, so we did. And then so far, 4-hour chart looks like this. Let me show you that as well. And it looks like this. See, so it first my first take was it's gonna bounce from here. So it did. So it's like wave one, two. Now this one is also wave one, two. Then it will be three and four and five, and that will finish this wave three. Got it? So this is wave one, this is wave two. Wave three usually is 1.648 of wave one. So if you want to measure that, let's say from here to here, and let's see if you put here to 1.618 is right there. This is where it should be coming. And how? One, two, three, four, five. Something like that, right? So that would be wave three. Then it's gonna drop for wave four. Then it's gonna go up for wave five. Blah blah blah. Right? So this is the beauty of Elliott wave, right? That you make your head cuckoo head, right? So yeah, but it works, right? So that's what we need. All right. So this is it for now. And if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it. You want my 40 for these charts, the setup charts. I post these charts every time I make the chart, I post on the Telegram on my Telegram that I have only for my subscriber. So if you want to see those charts, you're gonna get those charts. Be a part of my Telegram. Go on, on my website, sign up, and you will take those trades. And then I don't know, if you have my system, fine, use it. If you don't, you want to get it from my website. And or you want to use only the directional bias from my chart, and then use your own strategy to take the trades. That's fine, right? And this is it for now. So gold is pretty, like beautifully, following my instructions. Okay. So every step of the way, I'm making the chart and I'm posting in the Telegram, and everybody else taking the trades, and I'm taking the trades, and I'm posting my trades on the Telegram and my website. Right. So let's see if I'm right this time again. So I'm gonna switch this mark now. It's to this, and it may come down to touch the TL, may not. So I always have the option open, right? And now this will stay the same. So this will be new chart, let's say for now, a 4 hour chart. And then I'll definitely make my, 1,000. Well, that's already done. That's the chart. Still, this is the one that I made yesterday. That's gonna drop and then go up. So the first leg is done. Second leg is gonna start soon, maybe tonight in London session. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get these videos on time and the setups on time so you can take advantage of these setups. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.